Today I'm going to make Japanese curry chicken with rice. I don't know if I should call it Japanese curry, but let's just call that. So it's really easy, quick dish for a normal day. I love really quick and easy dishes to make. So all you really need is I got some chicken thighs that's cubed, and I put some Japanese cooking wine, I think it's called Marin, and some black pepper and some salt in there. I marinated for like about 1 hour already, so it's ready to use. And here's some cubed carrots and potatoes that will be in my chicken. Of course, for curry, and you really need onion. So here are some onions, it's already cut. Then we have really simple ingredients here. You need curry. I have some Indian curry on hand, so I will use that. Cooking oil, sugar, and salt. Oh, I do need milk. So actually I forgot to take my milk out, and I do need some milk. And of course, I cooked some rice in my rice cooker already. I cooked some jasmine rice today, and the trick to cook rice make that taste really good, and you're not afraid to get fat, is you put like 1 tablespoon of butter, or even more the better, but 1 tablespoon is I put in with your rice and cooking there. Oh, this rice tastes so good with the butter. It's the best. So the ingredients is here. I'm just going to cook my Japanese curry chicken right now. Cook right now. So I'm going to put some oil in the pot, not too much. So I first want to just brown my chicken. I always do. I like use my cast iron for everything. So I love cast iron cook pots. It's just the best. I feel like it's cooked hot enough. I'm just going to get my chicken in there. Dump my chicken in. I like use chicken breast. No, I like use chicken thighs. I think chicken thighs taste much better than chicken breast. My onion in here. You can use white onion, red onion, whatever you want. I just want to use some of the red onion. Put some of my curry in here. I don't know how much I need to put in there. Take a guess. You know, when I make curry dish, I just put everything together. I really don't know what I'm doing. Maybe a tiny bit more because we have carrots and potatoes. I like this nice yellow color. Smells good already. You know what? It's the first time I'm going to try put some milk in here. Maybe just a little bit, not too much. I'm going to put a little bit of water in here. And I use all milk to be too rich. Okay. sugar, a little bit. And if it's not enough, I can always add it later. Okay. So I'm going to simmer the chicken for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Done. And turn the fire to really small. Okay. I'll wait for another maybe 5 or 8 minutes and come back and my carrots and potatoes in there. Then I will try it when it's done, then put some seasoning. I think I need more. That's for right now. Well, I forgot to turn my microphone on the video before this one, but now it's like about 20 minutes later, so I think it's done. Should be. Let's see. Check it out. Oh, looks really good. Let's see. Yeah, look how nice and thick it is now. Yeah, you want to cook your potatoes really nice and soft and get starch in the sauce. You want to cook the sauce down so you get a really nice and thick texture of your curry. And chicken is tender too. So the vegetable is tender, chicken is tender, and everything's tender in here. And the sauce is nice and thick. So when you serve over your rice, it will taste really good. This is like really simple, easy, and fast meal to fix up. And if you like curry, and I think everybody, if you like curry, of course your family like curry, then everybody will enjoy this meal. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Then I'm going to serve this over the rice. Oh, of course, my pug, she is always here with me while I'm cooking. How cute she is. And that nice belly. So cute. Pearl is to go ahead and try this thing again. See how that tastes. Go ahead, give it a try.
Looks hot.
So you're supposed to stir the sauce with that.
I like eating the rice and the sauce separately, so I kind of mix it together.
It's supposed to be Japanese curry.
Mom.
Really?
Mom.
Yeah?
Can I have some food?
Yeah, sure. Okay, both my kids are going to give it a try.
Say hi to the video, Evelyn. Say hi, Evelyn.
Oh, my son has left me.
What?
Because my daughter has to tell me something.
Is it really good? Say hi, Evelyn.
So,
Evelyn, say hi.
potato in there, the starch of the potato makes the sauce really nice and thick. That's delicious with the rice. So, it does look like Japanese curry. Look how easy to make it.
Huh?
Simple, delicious food.
Because I'm eating.
Okay, Pearl, you can say bye.
Bye.
Yep.